Hello friends, how are you all doing today? Today is a busy day. In Canadian standards, we're supposed to get a storm. In non-Canadian standards, I guess I say it like that because like other people around, some experience way less snow than what I'm about to say, but some experience way more. We're supposed to get between 10 and 15 centimeters, I believe, tomorrow all the way until almost Thursday morning or something. I just finished collecting the garbages. The sun is out right now, so this is the time to get shit done. So I'm going to take you along with me, and hopefully my battery lasts the whole time. So let's go. Now I keep this hose inside the house so it doesn't freeze. And that wrap that you saw me take off seems to make a difference on not freezing the water line up here. Camera's crooked. There really isn't that much water in the barrel because I don't need that much, but I wanted to top it off because I don't know what the storm is going to look like whether I'll be able to get back up here right away or not. So this side, I'll bring it closer, you can see what I'm doing. So this side threads into here. And this is the same hose I just used to fill the barrel. So we're going to make sure that this hose is down to the bottom at least. Turn this on. To get some more deer feed and more bird seed, like I said. So it's a nice day out, so I don't want to ruin their day by taking all that down. So we're not going to do that right now. Okay, I came inside to grab a drink of water and to take my winter coat off because I'm sweating and I don't want to get sick. So I'm going to have to keep this off while we're getting some cleaning out there done. And I still got to go to the feed store shortly, so. Okay, I decided to put my construction jacket on. That way I wouldn't sweat, but I'm not going to be cold. So let's go get some cleaning done right now. So I do it. I also have to grab a bag of feed and put that in the garbage can too. Want me to throw you out some mealworms, girls? I would rather you not be right in the way of the food so I don't step on you. Right? Okay, how about we go outside and do this? Right? Let's see if I have the magic touch today to open this. I usually do, but then sometimes I'll turn on the camera and it just doesn't work out, so. So no word of a lie, as soon as I turned off the camera, I could get it open. So annoying. Yes, my storm. My little girls. Did you just poop on my glove? Poopy bums. Baby girls. Using my way. Some of them are just nutcrackers today. So this can go back up to the shop. Take this because this is garbage that I've been collecting for a while. I can just throw it out now. Old jug of water. This I'm gonna put it in the shelter so I can keep some stuff. But I need to put it in here. I can't put that. Or you can have fun with it. I took this bag, put it in there, but all wet. What's up, little guys? Let's put it in there. Take it easy. Okay, so this is supposed to go on top of the roof in my goop, but I told him marks, it doesn't need it. So I'm gonna stick that in too. Doesn't need out. This smells like the shop. It's not that heavy, but when it's a little bit bigger than me, it's awkward. Okay. Okay, we're gonna make tortillas. That way we have them for tacos tonight. I'm using a cast iron pan. You can use whatever you want. Your pan has to be hot and dry. Okay, so we need salt, baking powder, flour, water. And you also need some type of fat. I'm going to use butter, but you can use lard or whatever you happen to have on hand. We need 2 cups of flour. I'm only making about 4 or 5. You need 1/8 of a teaspoon of baking powder. We like ours salty, so I use coarse salt and I put quite a bit in it. It's actually not that much, just so you know. Mix that a little bit. Now, about 1/4 cup of butter. Well, whatever fat you choose to use. And dump your butter in. There's not that much. You don't need that much. You're going to dump in water. But go a little bit at a time because I've been doing this so much. I haven't bought tortillas in like 2 years. I just make them. This is probably going to make me about 3 of them. About there. I'm not going to make them big. I used to make them big, but because I don't have the big pans anymore, I just make them medium size. So because it's going to be a stickier dough, you don't want it too sticky. You just want it sticky enough that it stays together, you know. I try to make them pretty, but honestly, I don't make round tortillas. I just make whatever I roll out. You know what I mean? Like I don't make them perfect because it's food. You're eating it. It doesn't have to be pretty. Because there is some leftover flour on it. I couldn't quite get off and I was scrubbing the crap out of it, so whatever. Okay. You want a cooling rack, tongs, let that cook until you see bubbles on the top. Once you see it starting to bubble, that's when you flip it. While you're waiting, you can roll out your next one. See, there's bubbles there. Anyways, you get the gist. So that's how I make tortillas. Okay, I just finished making the tortillas. I only made 3. It's enough for now. I can make more later if I have to. They turned out not too bad. Like I said, tortillas don't have to be round. Like, they don't have to, for all you need to, you can make them square. It's whatever you want to do, right? So I'm going to go lock up the hens and run to the feed store. That way I have food for the animals when the snow hits. So I will turn the camera back on when I get back home. But for now, I will see you in the next clip. I also do clean up the bags too. I don't just leave them there. So I'm going to take the card out of this, turn it off, and I'm going to take it down because I don't want to hunt on this side anymore. And I'm not even sure if I'm going to hunt the rest of the season. If I do, it's going to be in the other blind. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys. Back that way is towards where we just came from. Going that way goes to the good blind. And then going back there goes to like a big cliff. So I think we'll go that way and put a camera up. Like the camera we just took down, we'll put a camera up and then we'll put feed out and start going back there more just to be safe, you know. Pretty sure these prints are old, but they look like the wolf prints. I think I'm gonna put a camera on this tree right here. Start putting feed out like right here. And then we can always set up a blind through the bush back there more. Okay, put out the other blind. The good blind. I'm hoping that we still have the wildlife come into this one. And like I said, I try to spread it out so that they're standing here for a little bit eating, taking their time, you know. There's still tracks here too, so okay. So yeah, I'll go clean up the run in a minute. I'm gonna fill the 2 bird feeders too, and I should probably put more suet out as well, which I can do that tomorrow because I still have a little bit of suet left. But I'm gonna go do that, and if there's anything important that happens, I will show you. So see ya when I see ya.